Today, I'll show you how to install a hardwired smoke alarm. The model I'm installing is a Kidde hardwired smoke detector. Inside the box, there are 4 parts: the mounting base, the smoke detector, the wiring harness, and the instruction manual. Notice the red plastic dust cover on the detector. If your home is under renovation or painting, do not remove it until all work is finished, or dust and fumes may damage the sensor. Now let's begin. Twist the old smoke alarm counterclockwise to loosen it, and carefully let it hang down. Now the existing wires are exposed. Use a voltage tester to check. At this point, the breaker is still on, so the circuit is live. Next, go to the electrical panel and turn off the power. Since the breakers are not clearly labeled, we need to test them one by one. This one is still live. Let's try the next breaker. Now there's no voltage. We're good to continue. After disconnecting the wires, remove the old mounting base. Carefully pull the wires out of the electrical box. You'll see the wire nuts. Black is hot, white is neutral, and red is the interconnect wire. This house doesn't have a red interconnect wire, so we can ignore it. Now connect the new wiring harness to the house wiring. Black to black, white to white, and tighten the wire nuts. Secure the new mounting base to the ceiling junction box. Plug the wiring harness into the matching connector on the back of the detector. This is a step many people forget. Turn the activation switch on. It's the red tab here. You'll hear a short beep. Then twist the smoke detector clockwise to lock it into the base. Now remove the red protective dust cover. Go back to the panel and turn the power back on. Finally, press the test button. If you hear several loud beeps and the light turns solid green, the installation is complete. And that's it. Your hardwired smoke alarm is fully installed.